This is the Amazon Eero Outdoor 7, a powerful weatherproof Wi-Fi extender designed to enhance your home's network coverage and performance. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about this device. Inside the box, you'll find the Eero Outdoor 7 unit, a power adapter, and a mounting kit. Everything you need to get started is included. Setting up the Eero Outdoor 7 is really straightforward. Begin by downloading the Eero app on your smartphone. After creating an account or logging in, select Add Eero within the app. Plug in your outdoor Eero and wait for the light to flash blue, indicating it's ready to connect. Follow the prompts in the app to link your Eero to your existing network. The app guides you through the whole setup process, making it smooth and hassle-free. And on the off chance that you need additional help, they have a world-class customer support team ready and available to help. Once set up, the Eero Outdoor 7 boosts your Wi-Fi coverage seamlessly. It automatically connects with your devices, ensuring a consistent online experience. It intelligently adjusts Wi-Fi signals based on your usage and location, making it perfect for streaming, gaming, and browsing while enjoying time outdoors. The Eero Outdoor 7 features a modern design, measuring about 6.4 inches wide, 8.2 inches tall, and 2.5 inches deep, weighing around 2.5 pounds as well. Built with durable materials, it withstands outdoor conditions, including rain and wind. Available in a subtle white finish, it blends well with outdoor spaces and is easy to mount on walls, poles, or fences, allowing for versatile placement. In terms of performance, the Eero Outdoor 7 truly excels. It offers robust connectivity with a coverage range of up to 15,000 square feet, significantly enhancing your outdoor Wi-Fi. The dual-band connection supports speeds of up to 2.1 gigabits per second, making it ideal for streaming, scrolling, surfing, or swiping. The setup process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to extend your Wi-Fi network easily. Its weatherproof design ensures reliable performance through various weather conditions, and users consistently report strong connections, even in previously weak coverage areas. All in all, the Amazon Eero Outdoor 7 is an excellent choice for those looking to boost their outdoor Wi-Fi coverage. With its durable build, easy setup, and impressive performance capabilities, it seamlessly integrates into daily life, allowing you to stay connected from your backyard all the way to your front porch. It's a pretty smart investment for enhancing your outdoor living experience.